Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide comments on Instagram Live as viewer. So if you want to go ahead and do this, all we need to do is simply open the Instagram application. And I would like you guys to proceed with going on to the specific live video that you want to go ahead and remove the comments off. It's gonna be pretty easy because all we need to do basically hide those live comments once you are watching a Instagram live video is to tap on the small three dots icon on the comment section. I can't really show you that in the current moment since I do not have a live video to watch, but I can teach you guys, of course, step by step how to do this through this tutorial. So as I said, you need to go ahead and tap on these three dots next to your comment section, and then this is going to show you, of course, the option to hide comment. So just go and tap on the hide comment and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.